That really wraps up the SEO section of this course. You have now gone through every single point on this checklist and understand it, covering all aspects of SEO, the technical part, the keyword research part, the actually writing SEO optimized content, link building. And so you have now all the strategies to really get traffic from the search engines to your website and to really do that for long-term traffic. That's one of the key benefits of SEO. It really is a long-term traffic, and it can pay off in a big way if you're leveraging the search engines and Google to really sell your business for you and to sell and really send traffic to you. So that's the big advantage, and it's definitely worth getting grips with SEO because it is a great skill. You don't only use it on your own website, you can leverage those skills and knowledge about keywords and keyword research and bring them to platforms like YouTube. And that's really what we're getting into the next section of this course. You can really leverage what you've learned here, especially about keywords and keyword research, and bring them to YouTube. YouTube is a search engine, it's owned by Google, so you can implement many of the same strategies there to really get to the top of these search results quickly, and then also benefit from the traffic on YouTube itself. I really look forward to seeing you in the next section of the course, where you're going to learn how to drive targeted traffic from YouTube back to your website. I'll see you there.